All right, y'all. So I barely get a sneaker W, and I never really have unboxed anything like this on the sneaker channel. So we went for the Kobe's, the Kobe's, and we didn't get those.
Nope.
But we got this. Let me show y'all what I paid $150 for in this box.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have a unboxing that is not sneaker related, but it is along the lines of Nike and Kobe and stuff like that. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, this is completely different from what I'm used to unboxing on this channel, but I am kind of excited and intrigued to see this thing in person. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are less than 400 away from 30,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. You guys have been messing with your boy heavy. So continue to like, comment, subscribe, do all those great things. And we're going to keep this thing going until we hit that 100K mark. Thank you guys. Now, let me go ahead and get my blade, adjust this camera, and let's open up this box. All right, so y'all can tell that the box is a little bit off compared to what a sneaker box actually looks like. It's a lot bigger. But like I said, I did end up hitting on this whenever the Kobe's drop. I didn't hit on the Kobe's, but I was able to hit on this, and like I really want to see it in hand. So as you guys can see right here, we do have this black box that's wrapped in this clear plastic. We're gonna take this plastic off, and presentation is nice. I can't even lie, presentation is nice. So you guys see that Mamba logo right there that's on the box, and then you have the Nike logo, and it is reptilian skin, as you guys can see, just going all the way across the box. We're going to open up this box together, as you guys can see right here. And we do have the What the Kobe basketball, man. This thing was $150, y'all. Nothing else inside of the box, as you guys can see right here. But this is a heavy box. So let's go ahead and put this box over here. And then we're going to take a look at the ball. But before we take a look at the ball, you do have this ball stand right here. This is what the basketball can sit on. I don't know if people are actually going to play with this ball or not. This is not something that I'm going to be playing with or whatever. But as you guys can see, it does have the Mamba logo and the multicolor, and then the lime green Nike logo. Nothing on the inside of it. So this is just what the ball sits on. But the ball does come in this plastic. It feels kind of light, to be honest with you. Y'all know your boy Hoop, but this ball does feel kind of light. Compared to your traditional ball. I'm pretty sure it's the same weight and everything like that. It is not taped, so we're gonna go ahead and it's just kind of tied. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up, and we're gonna put this paper right here, and we do have the What the Kobe basketball. So as you guys can see right here, I'm just gonna give you guys a 360 view of it. A lot going on, just like with the sneakers. Let's get up into some of the details of the actual basketball. So as you guys can see right here, you do have the Nike swoosh right here. It's going to be in that lime green colorway with the black piping. All the different colors that came on the What the Kobe's and stuff like that is going to be on this ball. We also do have the Mamba logo, and this is also on the left side of the sneaker, if I'm not mistaken. As you guys can see right here, it duplicates that exactly. We do have the other logo right here as well. Another Mamba logo. So you have one logo here, and then you have one logo here on the ball. Black lines in between everything, kind of got like a snakeskin type vibe to it. It's not like your standard leather or whatever. We do have one more Nike swoosh right there, as you guys can see, kind of in like that orange red colorway, outlined by that like a mint green color. Just trying to see if it's anything else going along with it. Really crazy details that you guys can see right here when it comes to this basketball. This thing was $150, y'all. $150 for this ball. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the stand. So this is what it looks like on the stand, y'all. As you guys can see, like I said, the stand is just white and the ball just sits on there. So nothing extremely crazy about it. Literally, it's just a $150 basketball. Kind of goes along with that theme of the What the Kobe's and stuff like that. And it's just a unique basketball, something you can hoop with if you prefer to hoop with it. I feel like this is more of a collector's piece, something that you would just put on the shelf and put on display, because real talk, that ball sitting right there, look kind of fire in this display, don't it, man? But that is it, you guys, for the Mamba What the Kobe 8 basketball. I don't even know if that's the name of it or whatever. 150 bones for this ball. I don't even know what the resale value for this thing is going for. I'm not sure if people are actually gonna get this as a collector piece or if people are gonna actually hoop with it. Y'all comment down below and let me know if you had this ball, if you was gifted this ball, or if you purchased it. Is this something that you would actually hoop with? Or would this be something that you would kind of sit on the shelf just to display? But that is it for you guys. A lot going on with this basketball. It did take a little bit longer for me to actually get this ball compared to the sneakers. Not sure why. You know, it almost took like 2 weeks. I literally just got the ball in. But it is what it is. But yeah, y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. And y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including this basketball and the sneakers, just bait. We're from to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Hey, we gone.